Hey guys, welcome back to RC Farms, where we farm our backyard with RC vehicles. So we're in the shop here looking at purchasing our first piece of equipment. But before we do so, I need to call the bank and get a loan. Yeah, hello. Bank? Yeah, I need to get a loan. Probably about $1,200. It's been transferred? Thanks. All right, we got our loan. All right, guys, here it is. The Crawler. I think they call this like a Ripsaw. The original vehicle. But yeah, vehicle number one. Figured we needed a scouting vehicle to go out and look at some of the property that we eventually want to purchase. And also I need a rig that can hold our cameras, because I'm looking at doing a lot of live streaming. So this would be the perfect vehicle to mount a GoPro to, our 360 camera. Some of these properties are going to be remote, where physically I'm not going to be able to walk out onto, and only the RC vehicles can get to. So this would be a live streaming our 360 view. I can take this out to the work site. While watching that video feed, we can run the excavator or dozer, shovels, you know, whatever we need to. So yeah, let's open it up here. See if we can figure this box out. There it is. Look at that. So in the box, looks like it's packaged quite well. Everything pretty much with cardboard. Let's see what's underneath the cardboard here. Looks like it's something important. Directions. Yeah, that must be the directions for it. I'm assuming this is the remote. This tape. So yeah, vehicle number one in our fleet. Still a remote there. So batteries do not come included in the remote, which is fine. Looks like 3 AA's. Trigger for forward, reverse, and then a turn wheel. Cool. Open it up. Yeah, this thing's got some weight to it. I would say a couple pounds. Rubber tracks. Only full suspension. Nice. But yeah, I think like right up here, mounting a GoPro or the 360 camera, it would be perfect. Maybe put a radio in the back so we can hear communication. Or maybe a camera in the back too. I don't know, we'll see. Looks pretty cool. Or we could possibly use it to tow. Maybe we can get some farming done with it as well. Pull a scraper or plow. We'll put it to work. Maybe a trailer. The doors come open. Oh yeah, look at that. Doors come open. And I think this is yeah, this is 1/12 scale. Yeah, doors open. Got some pretty cool detail to it. That is super cool. All right, so let's get this thing put together and go rip it around a bit. So we got the film crew vehicle all set up. We've got the Insta 361R mounted on top of the Ripsaw. It'll go around and do all our live streaming or getting any video feeds that we need. So let's take it out for its first run. So underneath, well, first we'll turn the power on. Lights blinking. We will hit the button here, hold it. Check that out. And I'm assuming we're operational. Just easy. That's good. I like the controls, they're nice and smooth. You can really feather them for real low speed if you want. All right, let's take it outside and give it a whirl.